I was inspired by वो पसूड़ी ये गाना है ना, so actually I was inspired by that.
A lot of people said कि she has used auto-tune, but as a singer, what are your thoughts on that?
You are replaceable like that. So
Yeah.
if you're not good, why are you here? इश्क विच हंसती ते जा मैं लुटाइया की करा नसीबां विच लिखी सी जुदाइयां.
Hi guys, welcome to Z Media India.com. My name is Simran Keswani and today with us we have the star cast of Mohabbat in Maya. So please welcome Ayush Anand, Neeru Mehta, Shilpa Saroj. First of all, many congratulations for the
Thank
song.
you so much.
Thank you.
There's a lot of love pouring in for the song.
Yes.
So how's the feeling like and how's the mood?
Mood is absolutely ecstatic.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. I couldn't have really wanted a better response.
Right.
I mean, people are calling me from all over the place and telling me, "Ma'am, what lyrics you
Right.
written this time? It's so deep and so soul searching,
Right. So much of
And
love
so-
is pouring in.
touching." Yes,
Yes.
I'm really happy.
What about you guys?
Very grateful, but hungry for more.
Hungry for more? What about you, Shilpa?
Very excited, satisfied. What we have tried to what we have tried to make has finally translated into something that we had envisioned. So yeah, I'm pretty happy.
Right. So you know this song is about incomplete love, adhura pyar, right?
Yes.
So I want to know from you guys, ki, when you guys were doing this song, so was there something that kind of resonated with you? And you know, like something that happened in childhood, or maybe that's something that doesn't even matter now, but it kind of struck a chord with you, and you said, "Ki, हाँ, चलो ये करना है." Ayush, let's start with you.
Acha, pointing the gun at me first. As an actor, you have to go to your past to relate with something. So definitely, I did. So if my present one is listening, so I'm sorry. I did go to my past, yeah. And yeah, as an actor, that's a method that we follow, and it was a little relatable. That's if you see the song and especially the last part, I did relate to something and then performed it.
What about you?
So, of course, everything is relatable. Emotions are such that you have to feel them and then you write about it. At some point in time in life, when you are young, you feel certain emotions.
Right.
But I have this thing from childhood that I have felt very intensely about everything.
Okay.
Whether it's tragedy, whether it's comedy, I've written some comedy songs. My last song was sung by Mikka Singh.
Right.
It's called Dil Vich Bhangra.
Hmm.
Kudi Dil Vich Bhangra Kar Diye.
Yeah.
So that was also like a full-on party song.
Right.
This is the total reverse of that. So जब दर्द किसी में वो कैपेसिटी हो उसको एक्चुअली फील करने की, बिकॉज इसके अंदर जो लास्ट लाइन है, एक बूंद से दिल में सागर जिन्नी पीड़ा रब्बा मैनू दस किवें तू समाया. एक छोटे से बूंद में तुमने इतना पेन कैसे डाल दिया भगवान. ये मेरी लास्ट लाइन थी उसकी. और मोहब्बता निभाइया मैं मोहब्बता निभाइया रब्बा क्यों तूने बनाइया जुदाइया. सो ये एक जो ट्रेजेडी है ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ लव, सबके साथ आई थिंक हर इंसान इस इमोशन में से गुजरा हो.
Since you're the composer of the song and producer of the song, कितना टाइम लगा आपको ये song को compose?
Yes, you guess.
You know what, this song actually normally क्या होता है कि मैं एक बार गाना बना लेती हूँ तो वो बन जाता है बस.
हाँ.
उसके बाद मैं चेंजेस नहीं करती हूँ. इस गाने में एक है प्रोड्यूसर है बॉम्बे के, तो जब मैंने ये गाना लिखा, कंपोज किया, उसका डमी बना लिया, फिर उन्होंने बोला कि नीरू इसमें थोड़ी सी कुछ कमी लग रही है इन द बिगिनिंग, यू नो, आई एम श्योर यू कैन डू बेटर. सही कह रहे हैं, यू नो. एंड देन आई वेंट बैक टू दिल्ली, देन आई रीरोट द बिगिनिंग एंड थोड़ा सा स्पेशली वो मोहब्बता निभाइया से पहले जो लाइनें आती है थोड़े से चेंजेस करे, ज्यादा नहीं. और मैंने इसकी 2 मेलोडीज बनाई थी पहले. फिर जब उनको सुनाई ये प्रोड्यूसर को, उन्होंने कहा नहीं. मैंने कहा नहीं, isn't this too peppy for a sad song? That's how I envisaged it, you know.
Right.
But he said नहीं, that's the beauty of the song, so keep it.
Okay.
तो फिर मेरे को कई लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज भी किया कि क्यों आपने एक पेपी उसका बीट बना दिया जबकि इतना सैड सॉन्ग है. तो मैं कहा that's what I wanted it to be different.
Yeah.
You know, I was inspired by वो पसूड़ी ये गाना है ना. So actually I was inspired by that.
Okay.
जिस दिन मैंने पसूड़ी सुना था उसके बाद मैंने ये लिखा और कंपोज किया.
Right. Ayush, coming to you, we have seen you on television, whether it's Balika Vadu, Ishak Baz. So I want to know firstly कि सबसे taxing part क्या है television industry का?
Taxing, yeah, our field is such. I believe that's the only field in the entire world जहाँ आपको माँ बाप डंडे मार के नहीं भेजते. So you go as per your wish if you want to.
Right.
And this profession is such कि यहाँ पे घुसना बहुत ज़्यादा, it's very difficult. I'm not saying possible because impossible is nothing in the world, but it's very difficult. So अगर आपके अंदर पैशन है तो ही आप आते हो. तो मुझे genuinely कुछ taxing लगता नहीं. In fact, when I'm not doing any project, initially when I didn't have any work, that was the most taxing part.
Right.
Sitting at home.
Okay.
So that is the most taxing part. Otherwise, 12-hour shift and all, I love it. I just love
Isn't
my
it
work.
draining?
Time consuming, yes. Draining, no, because it's fixed now. Now my body is used to it. So I just love my work.
He's one actor who never complains.
That's amazing.
He
That's what
is
should
so passionate about his work, and that's what I love about it. You know,
Yeah.
all of them are. We are all a passionate
be.
team.
Of course.
हमारे लिए it has to be. We have to strive towards perfection.
Yes. Coming to you, Shilpa, first you've sung really beautifully, but this is just an observation, not about the song. कि you know when I listen to old songs, I'm a 90s kid, तो जब भी मैं पुराने गाने सुनती हूँ, तो I feel like you know it still has something to say. It stays with you for a long period of time. लेकिन आज के जो गाने हैं, something is missing, you know. कुछ तो missing है. Not all songs, but most of the songs. So I want to know this from you, that as a singer, what do you think is lacking?
Nothing really. बहुत अलग अलग तरीके का कंटेंट बन गया है, बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के सॉन्ग आ रहे हैं, but the only thing is that capitalistic world you have to push your art to get that kind of platform and those kind of ears. आप अगर डीप डाइव करेंगे तो हर तरीके के गाने बन रहे हैं. अभी भी वो 90s वाला एलिमेंट कई लोग डिलीवर कर रहे हैं, बट उनके लिए ऑडियंस नहीं है क्योंकि वो फोर फ्रंट में नहीं आ पा रहे गाने. देयर इज सो मच मनी इन्वेस्टेड इन यू नो गेटिंग फ्यू सॉन्ग्स इन द फ्रंट लाइन कि जो कुछ गाने जो इतना इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते. लाइक आई एम an independent singer-songwriter as well. I know the struggle, you know, and I'm also trying my best to make, you know, compose, write songs, and how hard it is to. We do have a lot of opportunities where we can put those music out. We have digital platforms now, but उसमें भी एक अलग तरीके की होड़ है. So I think हर तरीके का क्रिएटिविटी वाइज हर तरीके से हम फ्लरिश कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो है ना वो बहुत ही स्ट्रीमलाइन नहीं है. As Ayush said, we are in a highly competitive industry.
Right.
It's not easy to break in. Just because you're a good singer doesn't mean you'll make it. Right? There is a difference between a singer and a professional singer, and it's not easy. I have done a reality show. Yeah, and I always say this, like every year 4 to 5 big reality shows come. 20 to 25 singers are launched in every show. Where are those people?
Right.
You know, so it's not as straightforward and simple. There is no rule. There is no formula. The only thing you can do is be authentic to yourself and keep at it, and that's at least what I'm trying to do. You know, and that
I
goes
think
for
we all,
everything.
everybody.
But then to come back to the question that you asked, Shilpa ji, that what's lacking in today's song? I'm no one to judge though, but what I feel is that originality. These days, mostly songs are remixes.
Yeah, I was going
Or
Yeah.
rehashes, because I'm also 90s kid high-fi. Don't say because you have cold.
Yeah.
So originality जो है ना, which is coming out from the mellow music. I'm not saying because I'm attached to it, because I'm doing
My
songs
music
with them.
channel is called Nee Mellow Music.
Any mellow music. So 2 years down the line, you'll see a variety of songs on that platform.
So, you know, like you guys mentioned, you come from a non-filmy family.
Yeah.
So, I want to know कि somebody who's not from a filmy family, were there any challenges to break into the
Of course, there were challenges. Like my family was not. Well, I'll tell you that I don't know whether I should be exposing this, but my bhabhi is Ramanand Sagar's daughter.
Okay.
So my real bhabhi. And initially she said, Neeru, don't go to Bombay. It's very challenging. It's very this thing. क्या जरूरत है? मत जाओ. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, there's some inner calling, there's some जुनून जो मुझे ले जा रहा है वहां जा मैं तो क्या जरूरत है मुझे. I started very late in life, going all the way. I don't need to do all this, but कुछ ऐसा जुनून था जो मेरे को against those. They were very supportive, my bhabi and my brother and all. Later on they were from the beginning. I've been staying in their Sagar Villa only, so I'm very well taken care of, so I was able to do it. But they had the hesitancy कि क्यों जा रहे हो, कोई जरूरत क्या है.
Right.
But when they saw songs like these coming out of me, then they said कि अच्छा ठीक है,
Go for it. Yeah.
now अब भी हम रोकेंगे.
What about you guys?
These days there's a lot of discussion about nepotism and all. Those guys have their own challenges.
Right.
We have our own challenges. I've always believed in one thing in life, that कोई godfather हो ना हो industry में, but I have God. I have father who's up there.
Absolutely.
So I have both. And मुझे लगता है मांगने से काम नहीं मिलता. मांगो तो भगवान से मांगो. Because जिसने काम देना है वो भी उसी से मांगता है.
Very beautiful said.
Yeah. So since the beginning, I've had this belief. I still remember when I was 4 years old. The first time ever, this question was asked to me by someone that तुझे बड़ा होके क्या करना है? मुझे भी एक्टर बनना है. Because बचपन से ही मैंने पिक्चर बचपन से मैं पिक्चर में देखते बड़ा हूँ. My dad used to own a cinema hall in Delhi, Natraj.
And we are his family and my family are neighbors from Karol Bagh.
तो I guess जब मैं मॉम के पेट में था तब से मेरे ख्याल से उन्होंने भी पिक्चर देखी, फिर मैंने भी निकल के पिक्चर देखी और आना भी वहीं पर है. I started as a junior artist in television.
अच्छा, you did?
Come a long way.
मैंने बहुत जाना है.
Of course.
But I started as junior artist, then character roles, then I started getting leads. अब बड़े पर्दे पे जब तक नहीं आऊंगा तब तक जाऊंगा.
Nice. What about you? Any challenges that you face?
Unlike him, he knew it from the start. I never knew. I never even thought about it. I come from an academic background, and जहाँ पे बेटा पढ़ाई करो फिर अपना काम जो भी है. So I was pursuing engineering, and that's when I realized that okay, I could take this professionally, because I was always the singer in the family, in the neighborhood, a good one. But I never really thought that this could be a professional choice for me. And it was challenging, of course, as it is for everyone, even if you are from the industry or not. It is challenging, and I think that those challenges make you. I think because of those challenges, I know how to carry myself now and how to. एक बात हो रही थी कहीं तो जहाँ आप बोल रहे थे, आप इनसे पूछ रहे थे कि वेट करना पड़ता है, कैसे आप करते हो. आई थिंक दैट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ आर्टिस्ट लाइफ. और वो वेट करना ही हमारा ट्रेनिंग पीरियड है. I always feel so weird when people ask me what are you doing, and if I'm having a cup of coffee and if they ask me what are you doing, I'm like, I'm having coffee. Oh, you're not doing anything. Can I talk to you? I'm like, no, I am doing something. I'm thinking about something, because when I will be asked to write something or create, that coffee session will ignite a thought, and that will make me make something.
Right.
So I feel our journey is so inwards. It's very difficult for me to show what my journey has been like. There has been a lot of waiting, lot of rejections. Like I feel like artist एक महीने में जितनी रिजेक्शन झेलता है ना एक नॉर्मल आदमी पूरी लाइफ में भी नहीं झेलता होगा. आप कितने इंटरव्यूज दे लोगे नौकरी के लिए? 10, 15, 20, 30, 50 दे दोगे. हम तो 10 काम करते हैं, उसमें से 2 रिलीज होते हैं, उसमें से एक में भी आपको रिकॉग्निशन मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, गॉड नोस.
Having said that, when I first came to Mumbai, I met a very senior actor. He told me that to get his first project, he gave 275 auditions. 275 auditions.
Can you name that actor?
No. So at that moment in time, I decided I'm never going to keep a count of my auditions, because that will be disheartening.
You still give auditions?
I do. Screen tests, auditions, I do, and that's a part of the process.
Right.
So, but whenever I give auditions, I just do it like it's my part. I've got it. But once I've given it, I'm detached to it.
So, Abhi Jasleen Royal actually received a lot of backlash when she was singing in Coldplay. A lot of people said that she has used auto-tune. And I don't think there's anything wrong. I think improvise करने के लिए कुछ गलत नहीं है. But as a singer, what are your thoughts on that?
मेरे थॉट्स वही हैं जो मेरे थॉट्स नेपोटिज्म के बारे में भी हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है तो यू बी prepared for it. You get an opportunity, you get a platform, then you have to be out and about with your guns blazing, because that is your last shot, you know. And audience can be really unforgiving at times, and why not? It's a sea full of artists. You are replaceable like that. So
Yeah.
if you're not good, why are you here? You know, so you have to deliver. That's the only bottom line. Nobody cares where you're coming from or where you're going and how much you have in your pocket. आप एक लोगों को खुश करने की एक प्रोफेशन में हो, तो अगर लोग खुश नहीं होंगे तो वो रिजेक्ट कर देंगे. और लोग बहुत तेज हैं. Audience is smart.
It's a survival of the fittest. Actually, it's survival of the fittest.
Absolutely.
You know, there are so many,
But
1
you
lakh.
know what? Having said that, there are so many examples. People who were not great at their craft, who were not really skilled, they got opportunity and then they worked hard and proved themselves. You know, there are a lot of artists like that as well. So you can't take this lightly. That's all I'm going to say. You can't take it lightly.
So my last question to you all is, what's coming next in store for you all? Start with.
Start again, pointing to that.
I'm just
So,
going this.
I believe that once the project is out, then I want to talk about it. Why? Because I believe in jinx.
Acha.
So yeah, so many things in the pipeline, and once it's cooked, it's going to be out, and then I'm going to talk about it.
All the best for that. What about you? Neeraj?
मेरे नेक्स्ट फ्यू गाने तो एक तो ऑलरेडी वीडियो बन चुका है अल्तमश फरीदी के साथ. इट्स कॉल्ड बाहों की जन्नत.
Okay.
एंड उसके बाद फिर एक गाना है जो अमित मिश्रा ने गाया है. उसका नाम नहीं मैं बताऊंगी बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी 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 न्यू वर्ड.
Okay.
सो ऐसे 5-6 वीडियोस जो हम जा रहे हैं शूट करने. दैट्स वन ऑफ देम
हाँ.
in the French Riviera.
Okay.
So every song will be shot in a different town of south of France.
Right.
Menton, Saint-Tropez and all that. So we are very excited कि हर गाना different उसमें होगा. So that's my upcoming 5-6 songs, the project.
Shilpa, what about you?
Well, my year started with a bang. Mohabbat Nimaiya came in with Javed Ali, and having worked with such amazing singers like Mika and Amit Mishra, I am looking forward to a great year ahead. I'm also making my own songs now. I've just released my first self-composed and written song called Bunny Tiny. And
Very nice.
yeah, it's a Himachali folk song. I tried
You're from Himachal.
Yes, I am from Himachal, from the hills. So I created this Nati. Nati is basically our folk dance and music form. So I created that, just got released. I'm getting lots of love, which was unexpected considering I'm new to this genre of Nati. Wo Hai, next song that I'm working on is my another single. I'm planning to, by the way, release at least 1 or 2 songs every 2 months.
Oh wow. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
So next song is a Punjabi pop song. It's called Naja.
Yeah. But before I let you go, I would love it if you could just sing for us. A few lines.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Yeah, I will have to look at the phone.
Sure.
Without auto tune, huh?
Yeah. I'm not auto-tune.
हाँ, इसको ऑटो ट्यून की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
She's too good.
नसीबों ने लूट लिया दिल का आशियाना, अब ख्वाबों में ही ढूंढे दिल तुझे दीवाना. तेरे फितूर ने फना किया है मुझको, तड़प तड़प के भी ना पाया मैंने तुझको. इश्क विच हंसती तेजा मैं लुटाइया, की करा नसीबां विच लिखी सी जुदाइयां. मुहब्बतां निभाइयां, मैं मुहब्बतां निभाइयां, मुहब्बतां निभाइयां, मैं मुहब्बतां निभाइयां, मुहब्बतां निभाइयां, मैं मुहब्बतां निभाइयां.
रब्बा क्यों तूने बनाइया जुदाइयां.
Amazing. Commendable. Thank you guys. It was lovely speaking to you. Don't forget to hear this song, Mohabbat Nibhaiya, streaming now.